Hiccup occurs when your diaphragm, the cord that helps you breathe, suddenly starts to contract without control. This quick spasm that occurs forces your vocal cords to close, thereby producing the hic sound. The things that triggers hiccups are: number one, when you eat food too fast, stress, or when you suddenly becomes happy, it can trigger it. But one thing about hiccup is, if it becomes persistent, maybe you drink water and it continues without stopping, that means there is a problem. There is an underlying problem. So if it happens, please do not hesitate to go and meet a doctor so that the doctor can ascertain the actual cause of the persistent hiccuping. So once it is ascertained and the underlying factor treated, automatically it will stop.